Here is a statistic that should stop every man over 40 in his tracks. The average man loses 1 to 2% of his testosterone every single year after age 30. By the time you're 45, you could have lost up to 20% of your peak testosterone, not because of aging alone, but because of what you are eating every single day. I'm Dr. Muldee, a medical doctor and a fitness enthusiast. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which food are silently destroying your testosterone and which four are scientifically proven to rebuild it. But before I give you the list, you need to understand what is actually happening inside your body, because this is not an opinion, it is endocrinology. So the first thing to know is that testosterone is manufactured from cholesterol. Yes, you heard me right, cholesterol. And that is the same molecule your doctor tells you to fear, and that is the raw material your body uses to produce testosterone. Here is where it gets interesting. When your diet constantly spikes insulin, floods your system with phytoestrogen, or even trigger cortisol, your body therefore diverts resources away from testosterone production. Your Leydig cells, the factories inside your testes, essentially go on strike. They stop producing that much needed testosterone. And this doesn't happen all at once. It happens meal by meal, day by day, and it does it silently. That's why men over 40 feel these symptoms: low energy, belly fat, and reduced drive. So now let's start with the four food doing the damage. The number one is beer or alcohol in general. Beer is uniquely dangerous because the hops used in beer contain phytoestrogen, which is a plant compound that mimic estrogen. So when estrogen rises, testosterone drops. That is the hormone seesaw. But there is more. Alcohol directly suppresses your brain's hormonal command center, and that is the very system that tells your body to produce testosterone. One night of heavy drinking can suppress testosterone for up to 24 hours. So whenever I hear men say, just a couple of beer won't hurt, to me it sounds funny because the biology says otherwise. A couple of beer every evening is a couple of testosterone suppressors every evening. So bear that in mind next time you are going for a drink. Number two is refined vegetable oils, and I'm talking about soybean, canola oil, corn oil. These are in almost everything you eat outside your house. Studies show that men who consume a high amount of these oils have lower testosterone level compared to men eating saturated and monounsaturated fat. So the rule to apply is, if it's liquid in a plastic bottle, minimize it. You should replace it with olive oil or even butter. Number three, those are soy-based products. Soy contains isoflavone, which is a plant estrogen that typically binds to estrogen receptor. For men over 40, this shifts the balance in the wrong direction. Daily soy protein shake, soy milk, or even processed soy food can actually reduce libido, energy, and even muscle retention. The important distinction is that small amounts are fine, but those using it as a daily primary protein source, that is the problem. Number four, those are sugar and refined carbohydrates. This is the most common and the most underestimated when you eat sugar. White bread, pastries, and even sweet drinks. Whenever you eat them, your insulin spikes, and high insulin drives cortisol, and cortisol is a testosterone direct competitor. So whenever cortisol goes up, testosterone comes down. Think of it this way: total testosterone is parked cars. Free testosterone is cars moving. And sugar is actually there to take the car out of the road. So now here are the four foods that actually rebuild your testosterone. And before giving you the full food, if you're still watching, drop the word testosterone in the comments right now. So the number one is whole egg. Not egg whites, whole eggs. The yolk contains cholesterol, the raw material for testosterone. It also contains vitamin D, zinc, and even selenium, all essential for hormone production. So what you should target is 2 to 3 whole eggs per day. Do not fear the yolk. That is my honest advice. So, number two, oysters or any high zinc food. Zinc itself is non-negotiable because your body needed to produce testosterone. And many men are deficient without even knowing it, especially if you train and sweat regularly. The foods to focus on are oysters, pumpkin seed, grass-fed beef, or even lamb. You should target at least one zinc-rich meal food every day. Number three, this is fatty fish such as sardines, salmon, and the key benefit with this is that they reduce inflammation and they provide vitamin D. And vitamin D acts like a hormone that supports testosterone production. The target here is to take at least 2 to 3 servings per week. Number four, it is pomegranate. This one surprises most people because pomegranate is rich in powerful antioxidants that protect your testosterone producing cells, and it also lowers cortisol at the same time. And when cortisol drops, testosterone has more room to rise. The target here is to take 1 cup of seed or 1 glass of juice 3 to 4 times per week if possible. So, what does it look like in real life if you apply what we are talking about? So, every morning, egg cooked in olive oil, pumpkin seed, or even smoked salmon. For your main meal, you could have beef, lamb, or even fatty fish, and a vegetable cooked in butter or even olive oil. For the evening, cut the beer. If you drink, choose smarter options. When you go shopping, you have to read the labels to make sure of what you are buying. If soybeans or canola oil is in the top ingredient, avoid it. And here is what is critical. Diet changes take at least 4 to 8 weeks to reflect in your testosterone. Don't guess, don't stop midway because you feel like you don't see the result. Measure it. And for that, you could ask your doctor for total testosterone, free testosterone, SHBG, and even estradiol because these numbers don't lie. They always tell the truth. Well, if this changed how you think about food and hormones, drop testosterone in the comments below. And if you're interested in knowing the 5 foods silently destroying your kidney, watch this video next. So that's all for me. Train smart, live long, age on your own term, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.